In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Capitec app using a Cellphone number. If you've never sent money this way before, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step, so the process is simple and easy to follow. First, open the Capitec app on your mobile device and log in using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Pay Beneficiary option under the Favorites section and tap on it. This is where all your payments to other people are managed. Since you're sending money via Cellphone number, you might not have this beneficiary saved yet. Tap on Add Beneficiary and then select the option for Cellphone number. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's full name and their Capitec-linked phone number. Make sure the number is correct, because this is how the money will be sent. After entering the details, tap Confirm, and you'll see a success message showing that the beneficiary has been added. Now that the beneficiary is added, tap on their name from your list. This opens their details page, where you can review the phone number and any other information before sending money. Enter the amount you want to send in the provided field. You'll also have options for beneficiary reference or statement description if you want to add extra notes about the payment. Once everything looks correct, tap Pay. The money will be sent instantly to the recipient's Capitec account using their Cellphone number. This is a fast and secure method, especially useful if you don't have the recipient's bank account details. Make sure to double-check the amount and phone number before confirming the payment to avoid any mistakes. Additionally, if the recipient doesn't have a bank account linked to their cellphone, you can use the Send Cash feature at the bottom of the home screen. The app will generate a PIN, which the recipient can use to withdraw the money at a Capitec ATM or participating stores. And that's how you send money with Capitec app using a Cellphone number. It's easy, quick, and after doing it once, you'll be able to send money this way anytime you need.